Welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is a Aldi haul for the holidays. You know, it's time to make cookies and candy bars and little treats and Rice Krispie squares and just all the good stuff you look forward to at Christmas time. So I went and I got it all at one time so I don't have to run out. And you know, we're getting closer to Christmas, so now I can like drop it in the freezer and it'll still be fine. And that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, this is specifically a Christmas-oriented haul, and the best place to get Christmas stuff is Aldi's. Everything was way cheaper than it was at Walmart, and I did pre-check to be sure. I got the best deal that I could get this year, and y'all, I was sticker shocked when I got to the register. It just, y'all, I only spent about half this much last year for the same amount of stuff. I mean, I don't know if I did a haul last year like this one, but if you did, you could go back and look, and it is almost doubled in price, even at Aldi's. I was just like, sticker shock. But I gotta have it. They expect it, so we're gonna roll with it. You know, we'll start, I guess, with all the chocolate chip goodies, because, you know, you can't have Christmas without chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate. So the white chocolate chips, I paid $2.69 for 11-ounce packages. Actually, the ones at Walmart, I think, are 10 ounces. I really want to say they're 10 ounces, and these were 11. So, but it was $2.69. The dark chocolate was $2.89. Oh, I got lifted up. The dark chocolate was $2.89. The semi-sweet chocolate was $2.89. And I needed a lot more of the white than I do the dark because I make a whole lot of that white trash. I mean, I make probably about 3 big batches of the Christmas, what do we call it, Santa candy? Authentic Santa Claus candy. Anyway, I make a whole lot of that because that is everybody's favorite. So I need a lot of the white chocolate. And then I only got one of the butterscotch because I still have a pint-sized jar of the butterscotch in the freezer from last year. And they are perfectly fine. I'll use those first and then I'll get into these. Marshmallows were $1.09 a bag, and I got 4 bags because I'm gonna make a whole bunch of Rice Krispie treats this year. I didn't make any last year, so they knew I didn't make any, so then they asked, where is the Krispie squares? Okay, I'll make Krispie squares. Okay, I aim to please. Then Aldi's has these round pretzels, and I didn't see these last year. I used regular rolled gold ones because I couldn't find any of the round ones, but they had them this year, and they were only $1.99 a bag for this really nice big size bag. I got 2 of those. Some of the little treats that I make, you like shave the chocolate over the top. So I got 2 bars of chocolate because it was actually cheaper. These were $2.19 a bar, and it was actually cheaper to buy the regular candy bars than it was the bar chocolate that they had on the candy aisle. Those were like almost $4. So yeah, I got a better deal just getting regular candy bars. And then y'all know, if y'all watched any of my Aldi hauls, Randy loves this stuff. These are the milk chocolate with almonds. He loves these things. He gets 3. Whenever I go to Aldi, he only gets 3 because he'll eat them all. Those are just his. They're not for anything. They're just his. I need peanuts. They were $2.19 a pack for the just regular salted roasted peanuts. I needed mixed nuts, and I'm gonna tell you, Aldi's really does have the best price on mixed nuts anywhere. Unless you're getting some kind of really cheap, not so good. Yeah, these mixes are really, really good. And they are $4.79 each. I got one pack of dippers. They're $1.95. I got 4 cans of the sweetened condensed milk. I probably won't use all 4 cans, and I have some, so I'll, rotate out. But then these will be good through the year. Same thing with the evaporated milk. I have it, but I'm going to use it, so I'm going to replace it. And those were $1.19 a can. Butter, I only left one out here. I bought 8 pounds of butter because through the holidays, everything takes butter. It doesn't matter what it is, and butter makes the world go round. So it was $3.99. That hurt my heart, y'all. 8 of those, that hurt my heart. That was like $32 just for butter. But I will have some left after the holidays, I hope. Ooh, okay. And then Randy loves Swiss cheese. This isn't for the holidays either. This is because he has to have his Swiss cheese and crackers and jalapenos when he needs it for snacking. So these were $1.89 each, and I got 5 of those. And cream cheese. Y'all know I fussed about cream cheese in my last haul. It's $1.75 a pack. I know it was only 99 cents last year. I know it was. That's a big jump. Okay, I think that's okay. Oh, all right. Flour. Aldi's really does have the best price on flour. This 5-pound bag, isn't it a 5-pound bag? Yeah, 5-pound bag was only $1.79. It's like, I don't know, almost, it's really close to $4 at Walmart for a 5-pound bag. And I don't really see that big a difference between this and theirs. Now, if you got really fancy and got some of the, unbleached, unblended, all that, then maybe. But it's still a good, for making cookies, it's a good all-purpose flour. This year, I'm going to make the cracker Christmas crack with the caramel and the, anyway, we're going to make some of those this year. I didn't make any last year. They fussed about that then. And so I made sure I got me a pack of crackers so I could make that. This all goes in that Santa Claus Christmas candy. This is a box of corn squares and rice squares. And then I will have to go to Walmart because that's the only 2 that Aldi's has. And then I usually put the one that has the honey flavored or whatever. I get a box of those at Walmart, but it's more than $2.75 at Walmart, and these are $2.75 each. And make crispy squares. I got to have Rice Krispies, and these are $1.95 a box, and that's a really good buy. This is Randy's favorite cereal. And because he went with me and we were on the cereal aisle to get this, he's like, ooh, there's my cereal. I want that. It's like never take your husband or your kids to the grocery store. He had to have his Honey Grams. So there's his Honey Grams. Yeah, they call them Honey Grams. Okay, yep, but there you go. And they are $2.25 a box. And I know like regular Golden Grams are like $5, $6 for this size box. So at the $2.25, yeah, he can have some Honey Grams as long as I'm getting them at Aldi. That's it. That is my Christmas haul. I spent $135. $135 for junk food for Christmas. It's a good thing my freezers is stocked and I don't really need anything this month because there went my grocery budget. It's a good thing I don't have to worry about it. I got it. Otherwise, I probably couldn't do it. I know, y'all. I only spent like 75, and I did it about like this. I went and got everything all at one time so that whenever I felt like making something in the evening, I could just do it, make it, stick it in the freezer, and have it done. I know I only spent like $75. I just, that's the number that sticks in my head. So it didn't quite double because that'd be 150. Okay, but I'm within $13 of it doubling. That's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. But that's it for today's haul. And starting today, we're going to start our Christmas candy making. And what I'm going to do this year is I'm actually going to tell you exactly how much it costs to make each candy. You know, that way you're not going to the store and getting sticker shock. You know before you go, if that's the candy that you want to make, exactly what you're going to spend to make it. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you when we see you. Bye.